Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I made 2 videos on this today. And somebody asked me a question, how I got it to 9.5. Exactly. Well, if you remember, I started with a 10-inch hairline. I'm going to change this to hairline for a second, doesn't really matter. And this all depends on your positioning of your drawing pen tool. I hit F12 on the keyboard. You need to have your positioning in the middle, and then we're going to turn this into a 1/2 inch. Say OK, go up to Object, turn the object to, or line to an object, left click, right click, and now that's where I've got the magical 1/2 inch or 9.5 if we go from there to there. Because what it did, it took, it made it larger on both sides a 1/2 inch. Now the downside is now we don't have a 10.5 inch or a 10. We're going to have a 10.5 inch box. There's a couple ways around that. Maybe the best way, if you need it 9.5 on the inside, and well, there's really no way to do it because you're gonna, if you make this thinner to make it only like 10, and there's only going to be a 1/4 inch. So even after, and the whole problem was earlier to get them even. You know, you could change this later. You see it's 10.5. Now you want to lock your ratio and turn this after you put your lines in from the other video. Just make that 10. So now we have less than 9.5, but our lines will still be equal. I hope that made a little bit of sense, and thank you for watching.